Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to showcase Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to showcase Infinix mobile guys password security setting, and today video title guys how to set pattern lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to set pattern lock, you want to use pattern lock setting, you want to unlock your device with pattern lock. So how to unlock phone with pattern one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting, friends, you can use fingerprint and face lock setting. So friends, click here screen lock setting, and friends, click here pattern setting. Next option, draw pattern for lock screen, and friends, your pattern should 4 dots. If you use 3 dot pattern, you cannot set pattern, you cannot start pattern lock. So friends, we will use 4 dots pattern, 5 dots. Next, 5 dots pattern, again draw, confirm, done option, lock your screen. Friends, you can unlock your device, draw your pattern, you can unlock device. So like that friends, you can set pattern lock and you can use pattern lock in Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to change your pattern lock, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your phone security setting. Friends, open your phone screen lock setting, draw your pattern, again click here pattern, next option, and friends, you can draw new pattern for lock screen. So friends, I will draw Z. Next, again draw guys pattern, confirm. After confirm friends, off your screen, and friends, you want to unlock your device. So friends, if you draw old pattern, you cannot unlock. Friends, draw new pattern, you can unlock your device. So like that friends, we can use pattern lock setting in Infinix mobile. We can set and change pattern lock in Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to remove your pattern lock, you don't want to use pattern, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your phone security setting. After on your phone security setting friends, open your phone screen lock setting, draw your device pattern, swipe option and remove. So friends, pattern lock will remove and you cannot unlock your device with pattern lock. You can unlock your device without any pattern. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to set up and how to use pattern lock setting in Infinix mobile. Bye friends.